You know, 90% of Nigerians believe in deceit and fooling them around. They say that in the beginning, Nigeria was structured into 3 zones: the south, the west, and the north. Now, look at the west. Lagos have been developed by the money being dug out from the world, from the east and the south. Look at the north. The north have been developed. Just watch at Abuja. Abuja doesn't compare with any other part of Nigeria. All these places were developed by the money that came from the east and the south. Can we now understand why the east doesn't have any part that looks like Abuja or Lagos? Why is it that our gullible men, the men that call themselves the integrity men of integrity in the southeast, why are they still sleeping? Why Nigeria is playing around with the world, with the mineral resources that God gave us to build our nation? Why is it that it's 2024, we don't have no one man that can stand up and say enough is enough and tell the Nigerians what is the truth and push the Nigerians to the wall and tell them you have to treat each other section the same? Why don't we have a working international airport in the east? Why don't we have trains that move from south to west or from north to east? Why is the east being left behind? Why are the east being left to develop their area by themselves? Why is it that since how many years that Nigeria got it independent, the eastern people the poor people from the east must go with buses from the west to the east, from Lagos to the east? Why is it that every day we are encountering accident on the way, and mostly it's the easterners are dying? Why can't we change some things in Nigeria and understand that the wealth of Nigeria comes out, majority of the wealth of Nigeria comes out from the east, and we respect them accordingly and make at least working things to happen in the east? Why is the so-called South-South, the so-called South-South, that it's only in Nigeria we have South-South in the whole world? Why is South-South being messed up? Why is the South-South being, this is the 5 states of the eastern part of Nigeria, and the South starts from here and goes round the eastern part of Nigeria? Who did all these things to us? When will we start to understand that these people want to divide to conquer? When will my South-South brothers, the so-called South-South brothers, we understand that these people just want to divide us to conquer us? Why are we still wandering in darkness? Why don't we want to understand? You will see somebody from Delta State, his name is Sunday Olise, and he's telling you that he is not an Igbo man, bearing an Igbo name. Why don't the people want to understand that these people are dividing us? You will see somebody from Iguacha, from Port Harcourt. His name is maybe he's coming from Ikwere. And Ikwere is Igbo language, it's Igbo name. And they will still tell you they are not Igbo. Why do these people let all these people to divide us? I think it's high time we must wake up and join together. I was watching the other day, my brother from so-called South-South was telling me that they don't have any business to do with the Igbos. That they are on their own and they love Nigeria, they want to remain in Nigeria. I don't have problem remaining in Nigeria. After all, Nigeria is working for an Igbo man who knows business. But the question is this: how long do you want to live in this kind of situation that the Muslims have put you into? How long do you want to live in this kind of situation that there is no electricity? How long? How long you want to be wasting your time in something that doesn't work and have never worked? Today we have a vice president that the whole Nigeria had this conversation with Kunle from Yoruba, that their plan is to make sure that they bring the Igbos down. And you will see all my gullible Igbo men working with this guy. They even gave him chieftaincy title. What is going on with we? What is our problem, man? What is our problem? It's high time we go deep to know who did this to us, and we learn what is our problem, so we can learn how to solve these problems. This bullshit of not capable to give us electricity is one bullshit. Nigeria, I promise you, handle the issues of electricity to me. I will give Nigeria electricity just in 1 year. Electricity is a business. Just as you are going to the market to buy tomato or beans or whatever, that is how somebody will give you electricity and pay his bill. It is business. If A cannot give it to us, we go to B. If B cannot give it to us, we go to C. Companies that can generate electricity, you can actually generate electricity from everything now. From everything you lay your hands on, you can generate electricity. Let me. You can generate electricity from corn, mango, name it, just potatoes. You can generate electricity from everything, even from the sheets that you sheet from your anus. Electricity can come from there. Gas can come from there. Of which people are using it now in Nigeria. What are you waiting for? What is our crime that we are paying? That we cannot have steady electricity. Yeah? Now in the States, we now discover that in the States they have discovered that actually electricity was supposed to be free. With the radio frequency in our air, in our atmosphere, we can generate electricity and everybody will have free electricity. That is one of the reasons that Elon Musk is being attacked. Because he told them that he wants to give free electricity to the whole world. The whole world. From radio energy in our atmosphere. Free electricity in the whole world. Government don't want our good. I don't know why. I don't know what's wrong with these government people. Peace out. Critical thinker.